Science is fun.
And then we will see
Science is an experience.
Tell me if you see anything.
In the spring of 2009, the Science Fair Foundation of BC launched a pilot project that is taking science fairs to a whole new level of learning.
The Science Fair Foundation approached me last year and said we'd like to increase the number of Aboriginal kids and kids in general participating in science. I thought it sounded like an awesome opportunity.
In collaboration with Mid-Island Science Technology and Innovation Council and School District 72, the Science Fair Foundation of BC created an Aboriginal-themed Science Fair Celebration.
What we've all been working on is bringing all of our kids together from various schools, and they've been in a process of picking a topic and spending the last few months researching their topic and then choosing an experiment that goes along with it.
Many of the student presentations focused on Aboriginal science, where they connected modern science to traditional Aboriginal science.
Teachers have asked me to take the kids out on the walks, and I've been showing them the plants and what they were used for.
The process or scientific method teaches kids a lot about perseverance, about asking and doing inquiry learning, and the results have been spectacular.
Some of the best examples drew science directly from Canadian First Nations culture.
My project's on First Nations weapons and tools.
It's about teepees and how they live and stuff. Our galaxy's called the Milky Way.
It's a First Nations disease that you get from a lack of vitamin C.
We found out that aloe vera and comfrey numbs and heals cuts. But then I found out that comfrey is carcinogenic, so it causes cancer and liver failure, and it still heals the same. So don't use that.
Of course, the classic science fair experiments also made an appearance.
And the voltmeter goes up. Baking soda's a base and vinegar's an acid, and when the two meet together, they create a chemical reaction that builds and builds.
Is that good?
When we did it in class, it shot up and hit the roof. And here, maybe they didn't mix it quite the same as they did in the class. So it's a good lesson for them to learn, to understand that science doesn't always work the same every time.
The youth who participated all presented to one another.
It's backwards. We're in the bar.
Then you do the same thing, and except these ones are easier because you don't have to like...
They learned from one another. To continue the learning experience, each student completed a scavenger hunt of other projects.
I'm on a scavenger hunt looking for somebody who did a demonstration for their research.
People who have the same things as us and write their names down, but we can't find anybody. We looked there and there. Katie's was about igloos, and Sheldon and Riley's was about landslides.
Scavenger hunt focuses their attention and their curiosity on the various projects, and it makes them have a reason to learn.
Science is fun, and the combination of science and culture is creating new opportunities for connections and learning.
And all the different perspectives of the different things they get into and everyday life, how it can be twisted around to science.
It's a wow moment, I get it. And that's what makes science fun.
To top off the amazing day, an appearance by Science World brought the house down. New experiences, new appreciation for culture and heritage. This is the evolution of the Science Fair experience.
They've loved it. We've been doing it for a couple months now in class, and just getting everything ready from the beginning to the end. And that's all. When sometimes we have full science days in class, and they just have a blast. They don't want it to end.
For more information, contact the Science Fair Foundation of BC at sciencefairs.ca. Special thanks to our partners in this pilot project: Vancouver Foundation, MISTIC, School District 72, and BC Innovation Council.
I hope they continue on with it. I think it's great.